Nehemiah approaches the throne, cup in hand, face marked by sorrow he can no longer conceal. The king's gaze is piercing. Why is your face sad, seeing you are not sick? This is nothing but sorrow of heart. Nehemiah bows, voice trembling but strong. May the king live forever. Why should my face not be sad when the city, the place of my ancestors' graves, lies in ruins and its gates are burned with fire? A hush falls. The queen leans forward, curiosity and compassion mingling in her eyes. Artaxerxes speaks, his voice measured. What is it you request?